Scenic Railway.
At this time, I'd like to give a special shout out to those who are visiting Grand America for the first time. This year, this season, or for the first time in their entire life. As well as a very special shout out to frequent visitor and YouTuber JiggidyNDG.
Nice. Thank you, Jack.
We are now leaving China.
And no, folks, I don't ask for the shout-outs.
Everybody say goodbye back. Bye back.
They're just cool here.
Don't worry though. You stand for long enough, you'll be able
I'm gonna hit up the train. Cost dude just left to go get a bite to eat. And I'm not too hungry yet. I just need to get out of the sun a little. Check out how some of the lines are here.
Welcome to Six Flags Scenic Railway. Our next destination is Downtown Square. It's a summer of endless fun. Returning this season, go ahead. The giant concourse of Queens of our County Fair. As you pull off the County Fair station, you will notice
See how the eagle looks.
on the right. There you can pick up the world's best funnel cake sundae right here at Six Flags. Next to funnel cake laundry, take a step back in time.
The lines down the stairs at least. Wasn't that bad earlier. Yeah, I remember Cost and I got 4 in a row on that.
The world's tallest, fastest, and longest racing wooden coaster. Riders race their friends and family to the finish line in a 3-minute ride, which is sure to thrill every roller coaster enthusiast. Also in County Fair is Daredevil Dive. For an additional fee, riders experience a cross between hang gliding and skydiving. There's nothing else like it. Towering above you to the right is X-Flight. This revolutionary open-air wing coaster soars with no track above or below you.
I love Daredevil Dive.
Visit the County Fair food court. Whether you're looking for hot dogs, burgers, pizza, or fresh, healthy options, we've got you covered. Literally, inside the County Fair food court is the place to dine.
Hey, what's up? It's Dawson. What's up, Dawson? Nice. He's doing the smile and wave thing correctly.
To save your favorite superheroes from the evil villains.
Justice League.
This adventurous ride also features one of the first
It could be worse.
and real-time game elements to compete against the
Now I'll go check out Demon. Is it scary? Is it? Demon? How are you doing,
Kick back in this air-conditioned restaurant and enjoy hot wings, cold beer, burgers, and more.
Now that's what I'm saying. That's where you get your rides.
The best water ride in the nation is free for season pass holders. Six Flags Hurricane Harbor is a 20-acre Caribbean theme.
Not bad for the middle of July.
Pirate ships, water slides, and an erupting volcano. Kids young and old will love the climbing, sliding, splashing, and soaking fun of Hurricane Harbor's star attraction, Skull Island.
We'll check out Viper and then I'll let you go.
Water playground in the world. Be sure to check out Riptide Bay, home to our newest water attractions for the entire family. One of the park's most iconic family favorites.
Yeah, Cost went to JB's and he said it's dead in there, so that's pretty cool. If I took half train rides, I might get out and go join them, but yeah, I'm anal and I only go the whole lap.
Family fun with the best ticket in town. stop by the Pass Acquisition Center at Hometown Square to upgrade to a season pass today.
Viper's really got no line either. We rode that earlier.
Train comes to a complete stop. Thank you for riding the Scenic Railway. The riding stop is named the greatest name. Here to join our lead. On behalf of Six Flags
Dude.
we thank you for being part of our history and look forward to providing you with new thrills and family memories in the coming years.
Alright, so that's what's happening as of right now. It's a little after 5:15. Cool.